Allstate Home Insurance Review, my honest user experience and in-depth look. Home insurance can be confusing, but Allstate promises comprehensive protection and reliable support. I tested their policy and here's my honest review. Most people assume all home insurance is similar, but the surprising truth is Allstate offers customizable coverage, strong customer support, and digital tools to simplify claims. You can choose coverage for natural disasters, theft, liability, and more, tailored to your property's needs. Signing up was straightforward. I compared plans, selected coverage limits, and got a clear quote online. The Allstate app allows easy policy management, payment tracking, and claim submission, which adds convenience. During a minor water damage incident, filing a claim was seamless. The adjuster responded quickly, and reimbursement was efficient. The app even allowed me to upload photos and track progress, making the process stress-free. The downside? Premiums can be higher than competitors depending on location and coverage options. Some policies exclude certain damages, so careful reading of the fine print is essential. In conclusion, Allstate Home Insurance combines reliable coverage, responsive support, and user-friendly digital tools. For homeowners looking for peace of mind and flexible protection, Allstate is a strong choice. With proper coverage selection, it provides security and efficiency in times of need.